Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad L13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad L13 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises when there's a failure in the battery or power supply circuitry. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making the repair more costly and time-consuming. Fortunately, we can guide you through resolving this issue. For this repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery. Make sure you have a clean workspace and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the device. To start, ensure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here, as you don't want to damage any clips. With the panel off, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with wires attached. Disconnect these wires gently, taking care not to tug on any other components nearby. Once disconnected, remove the screws securing the battery in place and lift it out. Place the new battery in the same position, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before sealing the device back up, double-check all connections and ensure nothing is loose. Carefully align the back panel and press it down, making sure all clips are engaged. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Once done, turn on your laptop to check if it powers up correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo ThinkPad L13. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure to keep your laptop software updated and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.